By integrating FordParts.com and MaxxTraxx, you can place orders directly from your MaxxTraxx system into FordParts.com. Search results on FordParts.com will relate directly to a specific VIN. You'll never again have to copy and paste a VIN or pick up the phone to order parts from your Ford dealer. And parts will be applied directly onto a customer's repair order, pre-populated with pricing, so that you can quote to your customer quickly and efficiently. Let's take a look at how it works. You must first register at FordParts.com and set up Express Checkout. It's a quick and easy one-time process. Here you'll select your preferred dealer and set up Express Checkout. You can also ask your preferred dealer to set you up as a sponsored customer. Some of the benefits of sponsorship include one-to-one special pricing, special delivery and payment options like local delivery and line of credit, as well as visibility into your sponsoring dealer's inventory. Once you've registered at FordParts.com, you'll enter the MaxxTraxx system and click the Settings icon. Then select Electronic Ordering. From the list, select FordParts.com. Then enter your FordParts.com username and password. Note that parts cannot be placed directly onto an RO at this time. Instead, we put them on a purchase order. First, you must establish a vendor at the MaxxTraxx site. Click on Vendors from the drop-down list. Then click on the Vendor List button to search for an existing vendor. You can also add vendor with the button at the bottom left of the Vendor Search dialog box. Enter the information for the vendor, that is, your Ford dealer. Click Catalog, then select Ford. Add a pricing matrix if desired. If you don't, MaxxTraxx will take the standard dealer pricing from Ford and drop that on your purchase order and repair order. Once this is created, you've completed the integration between Ford, MaxxTraxx setups, and your vendors in your vendor file. Click Save. To order a part on a purchase order, go to the Quick Picks tab and select Purchase Orders. Click on Create New Parts Order on the bottom left. Select a vendor. Select a vehicle from your repair order list by clicking the Select button at the bottom right. Selecting a vehicle will open a MaxxTraxx parts order form in the background and connect MaxxTraxx to the FordParts.com website. At this point, MaxxTraxx is sending your email address and password credentials to Ford and logging you in. It's also sending the VIN from the vehicle you selected in MaxxTraxx. From the VIN that was captured in the MaxxTraxx software at your shop, the FordParts.com site will load the vehicle's engine, transmission, drive type, and other specifics needed for accurate parts ordering. All the parts you select will be matched to that VIN. When you're done shopping for parts, get them on your repair order by simply saving the cart without ordering. To ensure that the parts are added to your MaxxTraxx system correctly, be sure you have already set up Express Checkout at FordParts.com. Once successfully saved, you'll be taken back to MaxxTraxx, and you'll see that the part has been pulled directly onto your parts order form. If you choose to, you can order the part or parts at that time. Or you can simply add to your purchase order by clicking the button at the bottom right. As you can see, the part has been saved to the purchase order and identified as open or not submitted. Close that window and you'll see your shop schedule. Select the vehicle that you were just purchasing parts for and click it. You'll see that you have parts on order. To add the part to a repair order, right-click on Labor. Then select Add from Parts Sublets on Order. Select the part from the list that appears and click OK. The part will appear on the repair order screen. If it has the No symbol through the icon, that means that the part is on back order. When the customer approves the work, select the Parts tab, then Purchase Orders. Then select the Open Parts order for that job. Finally, you can click Send Order to order the part from the dealership. And that's the entire process. You've added FordParts.com to your MaxxTraxx system. You saw how to put a part onto a purchase order and then be able to pull that part onto the repair order. And once a customer approves a quote, you learned how to send the order. The part will be ordered and delivered per your previously agreed process with the dealership. Remember, talk to your local Ford dealers about being sponsored at FordParts.com. There are significant benefits. Eligibility to receive specialized pricing. Establish a line of credit and special payment terms. Special shipping options, including local delivery. Allow other authorized buyers in your business to purchase under your account. Ability to see the full part number on all of our parts. Direct access to view your sponsoring dealer's inventory and ability to order parts that are on back order. And the ability to be sponsored by as many dealers as your business requires. FordParts.com and MaxxTraxx. Better together.